Hey guys, so today's challenge, day 2, go without. Wear the same clothes as yesterday. Do not wear any perfume, makeup, gel, or jewelry. So I'm going to say the only good thing about this challenge was that it took me like 5 minutes to get ready in the morning, so that was sweet. But besides that, it was just kind of a really uncomfortable day. So here I am wearing the same outfit as yesterday. Didn't put anything in my hair today and just have no makeup on. So no one actually said anything walking around, so I actually thought that was surprising. I thought it was going to be a little bit worse than it was, but it ended up being okay from that perspective. But just personally, I just almost felt kind of dirty wearing the same clothes and just, not kind of being complete without my makeup and my perfume and just, my daily routine that I always go through. And I think this challenge really puts you, I guess, in someone else's shoes. So it really gave me the feeling like if I only had this one sweater to wear every day, like how would I feel about that? Instead of just, we see that guy wearing it and we always, oh, that's the guy who always wears that sweater, right? Like just like it gives you really what they're feeling, not just like what they're doing. From the outside, you can actually kind of get an idea of maybe how they feel about it. And I guess that would be like a really terrible feeling, not just like because you think like people are gonna say something, but just like personally to have to, wear the same clothes or something like that, and just like to have to go without, and especially in, Canada, where we're like a highly developed country, and seeing people walking around who have so many things, it's not like everyone around you is doing the same thing and is going without as well. So I think that would be really, really difficult, and I can imagine that feeling of kind of being left out in a way. So I think today's challenge was really good, and I really enjoyed it. So tomorrow's challenge is day 3, home challenge. Roll over, grab a blanket and pillow. Tonight you'll be sleeping on the floor. You're also saving money by decreasing your utility bills, so no hot showers today. That's going to be terrible with the cold weather, but we'll see how that goes tomorrow, and make a little sleeping alcove, and I'll let you guys know.